Hey, I'm Cam Day. Welcome to the channel and to today's video. It's a pleasure to have you. Truly, I'm very happy you're here and I hope you're doing okay. I am feeling pretty excited because we just got a package. Isn't it crazy that Blue's Clues opens emails now, not mail? I don't know if that's true. I saw it on a TikTok, but it hit home. Anyway, we got a package. I am going to be sharing in that, unboxing joy with you, and I just hope that it's a fun time for you too. Now, I just need to introduce you to the package that we will be opening together and the company that it's from, Olive & June. Ba-ba! Olive & June is an LA-based nail care, nail color, a little bit of everything company. They started out as actual salons in LA. I remember when I first got to LA seeing them and understanding that they were kind of taking more of a clean approach to the nail world. So all of their formulations are 7 free and they're just supposed to have fewer gross ingredients, I guess. So that's always a good thing. That was my first impression of Olive & June, and I always wanted to go get my nails done there, but I just never did. I actually didn't go to many nail salons while I was in LA, TBH. But that's for another time. Anyway, so I've seen them in Target, I've seen them online, and I gotta say I've kind of fallen for the marketing. We're talking nails and I'm really excited about it. I kid you not, almost maybe 2 weeks ago now, just completely wiped out the remnants of my nail polish collection, which it's been kind of dwindling over the last few years because when I was working in LA, I was in the makeup industry and working a lot more hands-on with people, touching their faces and touching products. So I wanted to keep them really clean and really short, and I didn't experiment a whole lot. I would get my nails done, like I'd do a gel for a more long wear here and there and maybe get a design, but I usually kept things neutral. I like clear, I like shine, but I used to be a lot more adventurous. So I really do feel that this came at a time perfect for me because one, I don't have any more nail polish because it was all old. Like I'm pretty sure I had like a 10-year-old nail polish. That's not doing anyone any favors. So this is also a note for y'all. If you have any nail polishes in your collection right now that are like separated, that you can't open the tops anymore, the brushes are frayed, there's this much product left, just get rid of it. Just start new. You deserve it. And maybe pick up some Olive & June if, they strike your fancy. But I won't talk your ear off because I know you came here to see the goods. And I'm excited about it too. Honestly, I also have to say, before I actually get started, how proud I am of myself. Because usually I like to open things as soon as I get them, and then I'll do like a first impressions, or I'll wear something and then do a full review. But it took a lot of self-restraint for me to keep this box sealed 100% so that I could share it with you. That's how special you are to me. So let's share this moment together. I have an actual second camera set up, so I'm trying to make it work right now. I'm just taking pictures, not I will have a second camera stream going so that you can see more of the actual hands-on stuff, and also so I'm for real. I'm taking it seriously, okay? I want you guys to get the full experience. So give me a quick second. I'll make this work and we'll be unboxing. Let's see what we got here, all right? Wow. This is kind of a big deal. I'm already excited. Okay, so let's just first see the box. Welcome to your best nail life. I'm ready. I'm here for it. Bum, ba, ba, ba. Oh my god. Woo. Your best nails ever. Olive & June, I'm trusting you on that, okay? So this is their summer collection, and it's freaking adorable. Okay, so what's your flavor? What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? Self-expression has never been more fun or more colorful. Celebrate the colors, the flavors of summer, and go bold for a Manny that's 100% you. So true, we will do that. Oh my god, these things are so cute. On top of the box, the first thing I see are these really cute nail art stickers, which is actually one of my favorite things because, like I said, I usually go for like clear bases or top coats with little pops of color. So nail art stickers, especially when they have these especially when it's clear on the outside and they're actually well-made nail stickers, they just stick to the nail really nicely and provide a cute little pop. So I'm really excited about this. Everything's super bright and super fresh. And look, we have the whole summer collection. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of really cute bubble wrap colors. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me get these all out of bubble wrap so that we can have a little bit more of an elegant experience. And I can walk you through everything, okay? Okay. Okay, I've got everything out of the package. This is just the polish colors for the summer collection, which is so cute. It feels very nostalgic to me. It's not necessarily Lisa Frank completely, but the colors are definitely bright. Some are kind of neon, but these are gonna be so, so cute. And I think especially because a lot of the color trends that we all are seeing, at least that we have been seeing, are kind of more neutrals or pastels. So I like that we're getting a little bit more of like a punch and a little bit more brightness, and I definitely feel inspired to play a little. So if you notice, I kind of kept my makeup bare, but I saved my eyes because I was hoping for some color inspiration. I wasn't really sure what the whole vibe was gonna be. I feel inspired, so I'm gonna finish my makeup in a moment to match some of these colors. It's gonna be really cute. But the box is not completely empty. So they also included their Mani system, which they have on their site two systems. There's the Mani system and the Petty system. So this is their basically like Nails 101, Nails Basics, OMG. I love cute little touches like this. Because this is my first experience hands-on with Olive & June products, they sent me the Mani system so that I could have all of the basics to really complete my Mani experience. But they included for their launch this cute little card, beautiful nails for everyone. And they also give a little bit of background on Olive & June and basically their story and what the energy around this launch is. So it began in 2013 when we opened our first salon in Beverly Hills. Now we're bringing all the Mani and Petty magic and every tip and trick we know to you. Our Mani system features everything you need for game-changing manicures all in one system. This summer, we're letting our nails do the talking with bright, bold hues for colorful, sunny days. What's your flavor? Can't wait to see your nails. Oh, I can't wait to show you Olive & June, which are actually the names of the grandmothers of the founder, who helped shape her be the boss-ass bitch she is. And also came with these really cute, colorful stickers, which I'm gonna decorate my box with. So fun. Inside the Mani system, I'm gonna calm down and do an actual unboxing for the people who are really interested and are still here and who are listening to me babble. Okay, so it also came with an insert that describes all of the parts of the Mani system. So let me just walk you through. There's the nail polish remover pot. I haven't used one of these in forever, but if it has the sponge, oh, so it has the sponge that you kind of dip your finger into, but on top it also has a sponge that I think will help do something else, such as, it doesn't specify what that top sponge is for, but it probably just helps everything stay in there. I don't know. Next, in this cute little pouch with all of our Mani basics, is the cleanup brush. It's a really nice detail brush that will be helpful to clean up the edges around your cuticles, because I know that can be kind of a bummer when you're trying to do your nails yourself and you just feel like they don't look good and they look like a 5-year-old did them. Although you could just say, my 5-year-old niece did these. Do you have a sibling? No. Do you therefore have a niece? No. But people don't need to know that, you know what I'm saying? Or you could just get some nail polish remover and a cleanup brush, and that'll help you clean up your edges, okay? It also comes with this buffer brush, which is gonna be great for buffing the nails. Nail clippers, can never go wrong with those. I actually do need a new pair because mine just broke. A glossy top coat, a super glossy top coat. That's how you know I'm in. I like super gloss, I like shine, I love a good top coat, so here for it. There's also a cuticle pen that has a cuticle serum, which is really important because my cuticles get really, really dry. and not cute. A nail file, straightforward. And then this is kind of their fancy, I don't know, game changer, I would say. It's called the Poppy. This is kind of their solution for the people who struggle doing their nails at home. Because their bottles come with round tops, you can just kind of pop it right off. And then you take this and put it on top. And it just gives you a little bit more of an actual natural feel when you're painting your nails. And I think it helps take away the intimidation factor of doing your nails at home. I think it's a great idea. That's it. That's the whole Mani system. We've emptied everything out and I am so excited. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner because I just bought a new one and it matches one of these colors perfectly. And we'll wrap things up. Notice anything different about me? Nothing? No? Okay. Well, I added a little bit of a lime green liner, you know, inspo, and I just came across my bright blue mascara, which I loved using for a long time and just kind of rediscovered. Need to get a new one because it's dried out and I think it flaked into my eyeball, but we're moving past that. So these are our inspo colors for right now. And I figured it was quick and easy, still a good way to get some color in, and we're celebrating, you know, like we're gonna mix it up a little bit, okay? So just wanted to share that with you because I love these greens. It's Urban Decay. I'll have everything linked in the description below. But these are, oh, I spilled. I just opened a bottle and put the Poppy on because I wanted to feel the vibes. And I just spilled a little. We're good though. We're good. Crisis averted. So as I was saying, these are the colors I was inspired by, and I was really hoping there would be a green because I really just wanted to try that new eyeliner. But I'm gonna take a few minutes to ruin my desktop. Take a few minutes to get inspired. I'm gonna do a little bit of nail art. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I feel like I would make this video an hour long if I were to take you through that whole process. So I'll spare you, and we'll be back with cute nails in 3, 2, 1. I know I didn't do that transition right because I just wasn't planning ahead. But anyway, the point is we're done, okay? And my nails are so cute. I'm gonna get you focused. Give me a moment. So I decided to do, this is a pretty typical manicure. I like a neutral base with some fun pops of color. And you're like, how did you do such an exquisite job? One, I just broke in half. It wasn't supposed to be broken, but you just bend in half a bobby pin and that gives you a great little daughter. But I gotta say, it was super, super simple. The colors, because they're neon, I was a little nervous. You know how sometimes they kind of dry matte and they just don't feel like a regular nail polish? These were really great. Now I didn't do a full coat of all of these, so I will figure that out as I go, but they dry super, super nicely. A lot of times when I use that dotting method, I have to wait a while because the polish is usually so thick, but it dried really nicely. I have the super shiny top coat on top, which is really doing it for me. And I don't know, I think it looks pretty cute. So if that's not a way to ring in a new summer launch, I don't know how else to do it. Now, of course, I'm gonna do like 50 different iterations of this, and I can't wait to really get into these cute little nail stickers just because you can spell out cute things, maybe some scandalous things. Who knows, summer 2021. And they're just adorable. So all that to say, thank you, Olive and June. I could not be more excited about this launch. It's live now for everybody at home, everybody watching. Go to oliveandjune.com, pick up your fun colors. They're just so cute. They have cute names too. I don't even think we even got to that. This one's Hot Strawberry. This one's Cherry Crush. It's all like fruit flavored. Grape Soda. Lemony Lemon. Duh. Orange Wedge. Blueberry Smash. Lime Fizz. We love it. Pick them up for summertime. They're super cute. They are really easy to work with, especially if you get any part of the Mani system. I recommend getting the Poppy, really for the people who may find it a little more intimidating to do your nails at home. But I'm pumped. this is just such a treat. I'm so excited. This could not have come at a better time. And I really do feel like I'm kind of on a next level of creativity and inspo, getting myself all color coordinated because it's just a fun time for me. That's all I have for you, beautiful people. Thank you again to Olive & June for sending this over. I hope that everybody watching has had as much fun as I have. Again, this new summer collection is on oliveandjune.com right now, but their main collection is also in Target stores. So if you haven't tried anything, I definitely recommend going and checking them out. And it's just always better for me, and I'm sure for a lot of you, to see and feel and kind of get the vibe, because they do a really good job of branding and messaging and just kind of breathing new life into your mani process and just making it really fun and really intentional. So I highly recommend. I can't wait to play around more. And I gotta say, I really did these like 5 minutes ago and they dried down really beautifully. This top coat might be my new fave. And I'm very, very particular about my top coats. So we'll see how this stands the test of time. With that said, that is all I have for you today, beautiful people. Thank you for hanging in and for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I love a good unboxing moment. I find myself watching people that I don't even subscribe to, that isn't even in like a realm. It's not, you know, beauty, skincare, you know, like my boyfriend's really into cars and tech, and sometimes we'll just start watching YouTube videos and like, I have no idea what model of drone it is, but I like watching the unboxing experience. So I hope that you got a little bit of that out of this. If you want to see more unboxings, especially as I get more things that I purchase on my own or any more PR boxes, let me know. I have a fun time doing it. And if you want me to practice, you know, some self-restraint to save these unboxings for you on camera, I'll do it. You deserve it. I'll do it for you. Let me know in the comments, and also let me know if you want to pick up any of these new colors. They're so cute and they're so fun, and I really just think that we need to enjoy as many aspects of our day-to-day as we can. So if you have cute colors on your nails and it does it for you like it does for me, this is a no-brainer. Have a beautiful rest of your day wherever and whenever you are. Please take care, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.